Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about my skincare routine. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all keeping safe, and I'm sure we've all had it with the lockdown. You all must be tired of it, just as I am. So as we sum it up, we have to be able to improvise and still make that money. I knew I could plait my hair, but I didn't know I could do it. I used to plait cornrows with my own hair, and then someone challenged me and I thought, why don't I get braids and try to do it myself? So I did it. I went on a YouTube video. I will be linking down in my description box which YouTube video I watched. You guys let me know what you think of the outcome in the comment section below. So up here a video of, well, the review afterward and some of the time I was recording. As I was recording my braiding session, my battery died. So let me know down in my comment section below. Then check out the description box for the YouTube video of the lady that inspired me on doing these knotless braids. For those that need to be hooked up with hair, don't forget to give your girl a shout out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Don't forget to hit that bell to get notifications for whenever I post. And for those who are finding issues finding the comment section, I'm going to put up a video showing how to get to the comment section. Yes, so let's get right to the video. So all products you'll see used in this video are from Brand Bell, so you can check them out on Instagram, Facebook. It's Brand Bell, and I will link down put down the links in the description box below, so make sure to check them out. I've got lots of questions about my skincare routine, and here I'm showing you some of the products I have used for a while now. These products are from Brand Bell, and I have to say, this is not a sponsored video, and I'm just giving my honest review about this product. So these products have worked on my sensitive skin without bleaching, and that is just like a plus for me. No hydroquinone in the products. That is a plus for me. These products will leave your skin feeling smooth, refreshed, and like replenished. You feel like your skin is supple and always, moisturized. So yeah. I'm using apple cider vinegar as my toner. Never forget your neck, ladies. Shout out to all those people who sent me feedback on the pizza video, the cake video. I'm going to show you guys some images and videos of some people who sent me their feedback. I'm so proud of you all. Thank you for following. Make sure you share to a friend who might also want to try out new recipes at home. Simple recipes, bringing those restaurants home. So, and if you would like to see more content like that, like food content, in the description box. Also, if you want to see more content on how I braided my hair, let me know in the description box below. Just tell me what you'd like to see and I will put it out there. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to pray, wear that mask, be safe. I love you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.